if we have an ester, it's going to react in an identical manner to the acid chloride, and the mechanism is going to be the same as well. The only difference is that our leaving group, instead of being Cl-, is going to be this O- group. The other thing to note is that because esters are not as reactive as acid chlorides, we have eliminated one of our reagents. So sodium borohydride isn't strong enough to reduce esters, but LAH, being the stronger of the two, it is. So in this case, let's draw out what we get. I'm going to use my hydride source, H-, and add that to the carbonyl. Right, now we have the OCH3 group as a leaving group. So let's get rid of that. We get the aldehyde, plus here's our leaving group, OCH3-. Now we can add the next hydride. And now that we're at this tetrahedral intermediate where there's no leaving groups, from here we can add the acid. And that will protonate this oxygen. And we can also say that it protonates the leaving group oxygen that left. So we end up with just this methanol as a byproduct, and then our major organic product, which is this. One thing that I want to point out about this particular reaction is that the aldehyde is an intermediate along the reaction pathway, but you cannot stop this reaction at the aldehyde. What we're going to look at next is a different set of reagents that will actually allow us to stop at this aldehyde stage. But with just LAH, you can't stop at the aldehyde. All right, I just want to give you a quick bonus for taking the time to watch the lecture videos and learn the material. So on the midterm, there's going to be a question. It's going to be a simple word answer question asking what is Dr. Osborne's favorite functional group, and the answer that you're going to type in the blank is allene. So that's my favorite functional group. Just to give you an idea of what the allene is its accumulated carbon-carbon bond. So a lot of my PhD research was focused around the allene chemistry. So when you see that bonus question on the final, type this in. So make sure you write that name down and you know it.